Rail agencies face growing challenges, including managing large amounts of data, overcoming data silos, all to ensure the safety, reliability, compliance, and cost-effectiveness of rail services. To stay ahead, agencies are turning to flexible, advanced, and highly configurable track analytics and Internet of Things technologies, which provide a complete understanding of the rail system and empower more targeted and timely decisions. Bentley's AssetWise Linear Analytics, available in the cloud or on-site, enables more effective rail maintenance by providing access to all available data related to the rail system. By analyzing data trends and forecasts in an integrated environment, you can more accurately target maintenance and renewal activities. Combine asset, usage, maintenance, and measurement data to help you work smarter, enabling you to target the right work in the right place at the right time. Improve maintenance decisions to minimize time spent on site, save costs, reduce rework, and prevent disruption to service. Advances in measurement and analytics techniques enable you to go beyond reacting to issues as they arise, anticipate failures, monitor deterioration, and determine the best course of action. Predictive insights and up-to-date asset information can help you to schedule maintenance proactively. AssetWise Linear Analytics enables you to easily transform data into data-driven decisions through powerful data visualization and reporting tools that enhance decision support. Automatically validate data quality to detect and correct data issues before they lead to costly maintenance decisions. With AssetWise Linear Analytics, you can maintain your rail network in a state of good repair and maximize return on investment on every maintenance dollar spent. Confidently target what work needs to be done and where by advancing rail intelligence.